Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to help you grow your business without breaking the bank. Our topic is how to get customers and leads for your business with zero marketing costs. Yes, you heard that right, zero marketing costs. Let's dive right in. Strategy 1. Leveraging social media. Our first strategy revolves around social media platforms. They are powerful tools that can help you reach a wide audience at no cost. Here's what you can do. 1. Create compelling content. Craft engaging posts, videos, or images that resonate with your target audience. Be informative, entertaining, or inspiring to capture their attention. 2. Utilize hashtags. Research relevant hashtags that are popular within your industry or niche. Incorporate them into your post to increase their visibility and reach. 3. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and mentions. Building a genuine connection with your audience helps establish trust and loyalty. 4. Collaborate with influencers. Find influencers or thought leaders in your industry who align with your brand. Collaborate with them to tap into their audience and gain exposure for your business. Strategy 2. Content marketing. Our next strategy is content marketing. It's an effective way to attract and engage potential customers without spending a dime. Here's how to do it. 1. Start a blog. Create a blog on your website and regularly publish high-quality, relevant content. Answer common questions, provide valuable insights, and establish yourself as an authority in your field. 2. Guest blogging. Reach out to popular blogs or websites in your industry and offer to write guest posts. This allows you to tap into their audience and gain credibility. 3. Create video tutorials. Record and share video tutorials on platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. Teach your audience something valuable related to your business, and they'll be more likely to seek your services or products. 4. Optimize for SEO. Research keywords related to your business and incorporate them naturally into your content. This helps your website rank higher in search engine results, driving organic traffic. Strategy 3. Referral programs. Another fantastic way to acquire customers and leads at no cost is through referral programs. Let's explore how you can set up an effective referral system. 1. Incentivize referrals. Offer existing customers incentives, such as discounts or freebies, for referring their friends and family to your business. People are more likely to recommend your business when there's a benefit involved. 2. Create shareable content. Develop content that's easily shareable, such as infographics, interesting articles, or informative videos. Encourage your customers to share this content with their networks, expanding your reach organically. 3. Track referrals. Implement a system to track and reward referrals accurately. This helps you identify your most loyal customers and create personalized offers for them. Strategy 4. Online directories and reviews. Our final strategy revolves around online directories and reviews. These platforms can help boost your visibility and reputation. Here's how to make the most of them. 1. List on local directories. Register your business on popular online directories, such as Google My Business, Yelp, or Yellow Pages. Ensure your information is accurate and up to date, making it easier for potential customers to find you. 2. Encourage reviews. Ask satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on these directories. Positive reviews act as social proof and can influence others to choose your business. 3. Respond to reviews. Engage with customers who leave reviews, whether positive or negative. This shows that you value their feedback and are committed to providing excellent customer service. And there you have it. 4 solid strategies on how to acquire customers and leads for your business with zero marketing costs. Remember, leveraging social media, content marketing, referral programs, and online directories can go a long way in expanding your reach and attracting new customers. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips on growing your business without breaking the bank. Until next time, happy marketing!